Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on accessibility menu buttons, larger buttons function in Motorola Edge 50 Neo phone. So how to make our accessibility buttons larger than they are by default. First of all, we need to go to settings. Then in settings, we are looking for accessibility options menu. Next, in accessibility menu, we need to tap settings. And at the top, we have large buttons. And we need to turn it on by tapping this option right here. It's a simple switch. There are no other options here. And now our icons are much bigger. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.